So guys, this is my today's harvest ng water spinach and some chili leaves. Ayan, super duper nice ng aking harvest na ito. See? Yeah. And my not so super nice harvest of my onions and some garlics. Ayan oh. But they are okay anyway. So, yun lang. I'm happy naman sa harvest na to. So, it's okay. I have a lot reserve naman. Naka-reserva. So, marami pa akong aanihin na garlic and onions. No, not garlic. Marami pa akong aanihin na onions. So, it's okay if it's not so good this time. Because I have a lot more na pwede ko pang anihin. And may itatanim pa akong mga panibago. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!